morning. A message from Farmer Joe. Doesn't matter what stage in life you're at, it's never too late to invest in yourself. And if you're going to invest in yourself and start looking after yourself, the number one thing to do is start off with your diet. If you eat good quality food and put that inside you, your body will work in a way, give you more energy, it'll give you more insight to life. Well, I'm after finding out myself, I'm very late in my life, at 59 years of age, what good, healthy, one ingredient food has done for me. It's just unbelievable. And I want to get this message out to people. If you start investing in yourself, start by investing in your diet, good food. Why should you put crap food into you and expecting, if you put crap food in, you're expecting good things out? It's not going to happen. Eat well to feel well, eat good to feel good. Farmer Joe in Dublin. Bye bye now.